the road to the Fenty Rihanna concert, okay? And there just so happens to be a football game going on, allegedly. Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a ton of Fenty skin, Fenty beauty reviews, regular reviews, hauls, and health tips. So please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you love that already. And yeah, I would love to have you a part of the Vibe Squad. So we're getting straight into the video today. As you guys can see from the title below, I said I was coming with the makeup. Here we are. I have not the entire collection, but I have the Showstopp'r kit, and I have the mini gloss bombs, as well as the gloss bomb in Riri that just came out, and the Icon Velvet in Riri as well. Well, first I'll start with this right here. This is a sticker pack, stick stickers, super cute. They say Fenty with football, and this is just so dear to my heart. Like, to see everything just like come together in the way that it did is just like, man, so dope. So that is first this. Moving on to the lip products, let's start with Icon Velvet. This is the new Icon Velvet in Riri. First of all, look at the packaging. If this is like just not completely on trend, on code, this is giving Team Fenty vibes. We really outdid ourselves with this one, I must say. Okay, so when you take it out, it reveals this gorgeous bottle. I love the little football. It's actually like iridescent and kind of inside of here. It's just, this looks so luxe and chic. Like, the packaging itself, it says Fenty. It kind of shows you the shade, Riri on the bottom. Like, this shade is already just so gorgeous straight out of the bottle. So let's try this on. I'm using my viewfinder. Keep in mind, this is without a lip liner. Love. I probably would still put a liner under it because I like a little bit more of a toned down pink lip. This is really pretty though. Like, I probably would still wear this out, but I would like to see what it would look like with like a brown liner under. But this is pink shade is gonna be so nice on so many different skin tones. I love the formula of it. It literally feels like I'm not wearing anything. Kiss test, it does come off. Maybe I have to wait for it to fully dry down. Wow, this is super cute. What do you guys think of this? Do you guys like it? Would you pick it up for yourself? This is like, I love it. I think that it's actually really cute. In my head, I think of other looks I can do with this and other ways I can incorporate this into my lip look. For me, I probably would also want to make the little glossy, so I'd put like a gloss over it. I kind of wanted to mix this with the Riri gloss bomb, with the Riri gloss bomb to see what that could do. I think that might be really pretty as well. But yeah, this is definitely giving, and I think I recommend, especially if you're someone who likes really pigmented lips, I think that you would absolutely love this product. So let's move on to the gloss bomb Riri. Actually, I have the gloss bomb Riri and the mini gloss bombs as well. Wiped that one off. We're moving on to the gloss bomb Riri. It comes in that same really cute football packaging. This is the gloss bomb straight out the bottle, like straight just in the bottle, looking at it like this. It is absolutely stunning. This is 100% a shade that I would wear all of the time. Again, the little football. And yeah, let's try our girl Riri on. Also, like, how cute. Just the name itself being called Riri, it's perfect. I believe Rihanna wore this shade in her Super Bowl video on the site. Some of y'all like super fans are gonna know better than me. So much gets like turned over, but okay, so I have it on. This is like chef's kiss. This is my speed, my tone. I love a gloss. I'm a gloss girl. I probably always will be. I just feel like it brings out the face and just like, I don't know, it does something a little bit extra that match just like, girl, match just don't do all the time. This is gonna go universally with so many shades. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Like, what? Bomb. Okay, this shade is $20 and also currently still available on the site. So these are the two Riri shades that just launched and they are gorgeous. People like love our mini gloss bombs, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, they're these mini gloss bomb keychains that go on your keys, and they are just like the cutest things that you will ever see. I have them in 3 shades. So I have it in Fenty Glow, Hot Chocolate, and the top one is brand new. It is in the shade Confetti. So obviously Fenty Glow and Hot Chocolate I have tried on, but the Confetti I have not tried on. So I will be swatching. I'll swatch the Hot Chocolate and Fenty Glow for you, and then I will try on the Confetti on my lips since it's brand new. Open it, it's just giving keychain cuteness. Like, I would definitely have these on my keychains. They're perfect for if you just like are somewhere you forgot your gloss. Most of the time you're not gonna forget like your keys, so you're always gonna have a gloss bomb with you at some point. This is the Fenty Glow. You guys know this. This is the tried and true. This is the one under the sun, the one everybody should have. If you don't own a single gloss bomb shade, I would tell anyone to start with this shade. It's so universally beautiful. Or if you really are into pink, Fussy is also really cute, but Fussy is not in these little minis right now. So it looks like a little sleeve that it comes in, so it's like kind of hidden as to like what it is, but super cute. Again, here is the shade. We'll swatch that one as well. So you can see the difference between the Hot Chocolate and the Fussy. A little bit more on the orangey side for the Fenty Glow. Oh, I said Fussy, I meant Fenty Glow. Sorry, Fenty Glow, and then this is the Hot Chocolate. Last but not least, the Confetti one. Again, all in the same packaging as everything else. There's the theme here, and the theme is the road to the Fenty Rihanna concert, okay? And there just so happens to be a football game going on, allegedly. So, this is Confetti. Oh my god, look at the iridescent, wow. Again, this is my first time even trying it on, so we'll see. It's kind of reminding me of our other white shade that we have. Let me swatch it first. Oh, wait. What? Do you see this? The iridescent, the glow, the sheen, the clear white. This is gorgeous. Try it on. This is so pretty. Wow. With my makeup look today, it's perfect. A little bit of sparkle, well, kind of a lot of it is sparkle. Definitely iridescent as heck. Like, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so sorry this is sold out. Like, I might have to go rave to somebody and be like, we need to add this one back on the site. It's too cute. It's sheer, but it's so cute. Let me know what you guys think. Am I tripping? Let me know what y'all think about Confetti, Riri, Velvet Icon. Which of the 3 lips that I swatched are your favorite? You could tell me if you like Hot Chocolate or Fenty Glow as well. But the 3 new shades, girl, there's a trend here. We're on to that new, okay? Moving on to the Showstopp'r kit. Okay, so this is the Showstopp'r kit. It's $76. I believe you get 5 items. We're about to find out, right? These come out, so this, you pull this panel out and it will reveal just like a clear Fenty bag. We have the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Blotting Powder. We have this really cute Fenty Beauty Football Beauty Blender. I can show you guys. Oh, it feels, it's firm, but not like, I think once you put it in water, it'll be just fine. Oh my gosh, it's gonna like plump up and be even bigger, but how cute. Like, I know you guys have probably been seeing all the Instagram videos of people like throwing this to someone. Like, I just think that whole little vibe is so cute. This was like one of the smartest things Fenty has done. Truly, truly, truly. The Fenty Skin Hydrovisor Mini. You need the mini on the go. This is on the go, okay? This is us getting ready on the road to the Fenty show, essentially. So this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I just showed you guys the mini version. So I have a little Butter Drop sampler. It's really cute as well. We have this, which is the Fenty fragrance. This is like a little sample of it, which is really cute as well. You're going to smell amazing. I'm not sure if you guys own any of like our tools, but our brushes are fire. Like, should I do a tutorial and show you guys, or like, what do you want? Because our brushes are really, really great. That is pretty much it. I'm still stuck on this confetti gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Are y'all ready for the Fenty bowl? Are you ready to see Rihanna? Are you ready to turn up? What are you like? What songs are y'all waiting to hear? It's been so long, and to think that she doesn't even have that much time. Like, give our girl the whole second half at this point. Like, we've waited so many years. So I'm curious to know what you guys think. Leave your comments down below. Hit the thumbs up. Share this video with any and everyone. And yes, I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.